useRef hook, a React hook which conveniently stores mutable values. useRef hook takes a single argument, the value which you want to store between renders, and it returns an object with current property, which contains your value. Nice thing about useRef is that changing current property doesn't trigger re-renders, and conversely, re-renders don't change the value inside of ref.current. Let's look at an example. Here I have a component with a ref and a state variable, as well as two buttons. One increments ref value and logs it, the other just causes re-render by changing the state variable value. Additionally, we have a console log statement informing us about the component re-render at the top. After incrementing the ref value several times, we can see that there were no re-renders caused by this, otherwise we would have been notified in the console. Now, let's cause re-render a few times and then log the ref value to see if it changed. It is clear that the value inside the current property persisted between re-renders. One of the most common use cases for useRef is to retrieve a DOM node. We just have to create a ref, then pass that ref to the DOM element as a prop. Now we have full access to that DOM node. Let's just use this ability to focus the input element after a component renders. One thing to keep in mind is that you shouldn't write or read ref.current during rendering, except for initialization. This makes your component's behavior unpredictable. And that's all. This is a quick overview of useRef in React to get you started. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if that's the case, consider subscribing to my channel.